Good morning everyone. I am Dishita Shrivastava of class 9th A, RKM CBSE School Gwalior, and today I will be sharing with you the importance of interactive flat panel displays. For that, we must first ask the question, what is an interactive flat panel? Interactive flat panel displays are collaboration solutions designed for interactive whiteboarding, video conferencing, screen sharing and more. It is a large touchscreen display which, when connected to the internet, works exactly like a computer. Its main applications are in the field of education and that of corporate collaboration. While traditional whiteboards and digital projectors lead to passive viewing and limited participation, interactive flat panel displays for education help educators create modern, data-centric classrooms that enhance collaboration and learning. Now, let us compare this with our regular blackboard to shed light on just how many benefits this truly provides us. Everyone is familiar with the struggle of breathing in chalk dust and the annoying sound the board makes when you just so happen to use a defective chalk. With the interactive flat panel, that is a thing of the past. With this, we can access the internet to read informative magazines, learn about famous personalities, and watch explanation videos of our textbook chapters. Our school has been doing just that. Gone are the days of dusty blackboards. Now, we hone our reading skills by reading the Green Earth magazine every day, which also enhances our general knowledge. For every subject, there are explanation videos available for every chapter with interesting graphic animation and thorough explanation. We also have quizzes in the classroom and view possible answers to the exercise questions, which supplements deep understanding of the concept. Most important feature, I feel, is the digital whiteboard, because even if you erase something that was written, it could easily be brought back by just pressing the undo button. This means we never miss any written work. It is truly a privilege to have such a thing in our classroom. Thank you.